Good day to everyone, especially for those who are watching my YouTube channel, which is about mathematics. And the title of my channel, of course, is Learning Mathematics with Sir J. And again, we're here to learn a new lesson, and that is all about time. Okay? So, what is all about time, right? Okay, so I do believe you're familiar with time because, time is everything in our lives, right? From the moment that we sleep up to the very moment that we wake up in the morning, we are always time conscious. Time conscious of the things that we're going to do for a particular day. See, time day. Okay, so in mathematics, it's actually defined as an ongoing sequence, no? Of events that is taking place. I already mentioned that now we're very much conscious, right? Uh, Especially during school days, no? Na we're very much aware of our time because we don't want to be late in school. We don't want to be late at work. So we are always conscious about it, no? And we feel upset, especially if we're late, right? So time speaks about past, present, and future, of course. Okay? So yung nakaraan, kasalukuyan at hinaharap, right? So now, how do we measure time? So we actually measure time in seconds, right? Okay, and then we have minutes. You can hear my alarm clock ringing. Hours, days, weeks, months, and years. No, of course we have our clocks, we have our watch for us to be time conscious, right? Because as one quotation goes, that time is gold. So you don't need, you must not waste your time. You have to be productive in all the things that you do. And then we have calendars, of course. Uso na naman po ang mga kalendaryo ngayon dahil tayo ay we're now entering new year, no? Year 2023, right? Okay, so that's it tells us, of course, that we're about to leave 2022 and we're now for 2023. You see? Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Now, of course, we have here the formulas that we will be needing sa susunod nating slide. Before we convert, we must know this formulas, of course. Now, of course, we have here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay, alam na natin yan, no? And then 1 hour, of course, is equal to 60 minutes, right? And then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? And of course, 1 week is equal to 7 days, which starts with Monday, of course. Uh, just a trivia, Monday is actually officially universally accepted by everybody that it's actually the first day of the week, no? But for some, particularly our religious friends like the Hebrews, Christians, they consider actually a Sunday for them. Para sa kanila, no? Sunday is actually the first day. But for many, as I've said, universally accepted na talagang ang first day of the week is Monday. And then we have 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Okay, 52 for 2022 or for this year, we actually have 52 weeks. Even if you're going to check your calendar, all weeks are starting on Monday, no? And it ends on a Sunday. So i-check nyo. 52 weeks yan. Okay? Next one is we have 1 year is equal to 12 months. Of course, what are the months of the year. Oh, familiar na tayo niyan kasi nakikita natin sa mga calendars natin. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So all in all, 12 months in 1 year. And then we have 1 year is equal to 365 days. I usually see the 365 days diary, right? And then, of course, so if you're going to ask me, sir, what is this leap year? No, a leap year is actually it's actually a year in which meron siyang isang extra day, no, particularly in February, and it always falls on 29. No? It's 29, no? February 29. No? So all in all, uh, it becomes 366, no? uh, days in all, no? Particularly during the leap year. Okay, so this leap year actually happens every 4 years, no? So please do remember that because later on we will have a we will I prepared a problem in which we're going to be using this one leap year is equal to 366 days. Okay, now let's proceed to the examples that we have here. So we're going now to convert. I hope you were able to remember all those formulas because yan ang gagamitin natin for us to convert the following. Okay, so we have here letter A. We're going to convert 12 minutes to seconds. And then we have letter B. We're going to convert 7,200 seconds to hours. And then letter C, we're going to convert 240 hours to days. And then letter D, we have 21 days. We're going to convert that to weeks. And lastly, letter E, we're going to convert 2 years to months. Okay, let me just change my pointer into pen so we can answer. Okay, the following. Okay, now, so of course, sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan alam natin yung ating mga formulas kanina, which we will be really using in order for us to convert the following. So let's start with letter A. So of course, we all know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? Nakita natin yan kanina. Okay? Yes. Okay? That's 1 minute is equal to 60 60 seconds, right? Okay, so let's try to answer this. So what we're going to do with 12 minutes is actually we're going to multiply that to 60, right? Okay, so let's multiply 12 minutes to 60 seconds. Yes, okay, over 1 minute. Later on, we'll cancel the minute, no? Ayan, okay. So, we're now going to cancel that. Okay, so cancel na yung minute dyan. Ayan, okay. So we're going to multiply 12 times 60. Okay, so what is 12, or you may say 60 times 12, right? Okay, so of course that's 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, that's 12. Okay, 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. So if I'm going to add that now, if we're going to add that, so just bring down 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So our answer here is 720 seconds, right? Okay, so that's our answer. Okay, let me just erase that. It's kind of hard to, write virtually using a virtual pen. Yes, okay, so that's our answer. 720 seconds. Okay, let's write it over here. So, di ba? Tama yung sinabi natin na kailangan alam natin yung mga formulas in order for us to be able to convert 12 minutes to seconds. Because if we don't know that, it's gonna be very hard for us to be able to convert. For example, the first one, letter A, 12 minutes to seconds. Now let's try to erase our solution for us to have a space for our answer for uh, letter B. Okay. Now for letter B, uh, we are asked to convert seconds to hours. No. So actually, we're going to have two conversions here. Okay. Let's erase that. Okay. And let me have my pen back. Okay, so first is we must convert 7,200 seconds to minute first, no? So we're going to multiply 7,200 seconds to 1 minute over 60 seconds. Yes. Okay. Actually, we're actually going to divide, no? We're actually going to divide 7,200 seconds to 60. Okay, let's cancel seconds. Let's cancel that. Okay, my pen is a little bit moving from different directions. Okay, but it's okay. All right, so okay, so if we're going to divide 7,200 divided by 60, it will give us what? It will give us 120 minutes. But of course, hindi pa yan yung final answer natin. Kasi, ang hinihingi sa atin ay hours, right? Tama ba? Yes. So, we're still going to convert minutes to hours, no? Of course, we all know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So actually, we're going to, again, divide, no? So we have 120 minutes. We're going to actually divide it to 60 minutes, right? Okay. So that's it. So cancel na natin yung minutes. Okay, so what is 120 divided by 60? So it will give us an answer of 2 hours. Okay, you see? It's just very easy, you know? So long as you know the formula that you're going to use, hindi ka mahihirapan. Okay, so that's 2 hours. Okay, so that's our answer for letter B. Okay, so that's 2 hours. So if they're going to ask you what is uh, 7,200 seconds in hours, your answer is 2. Okay, so that's it. Again, let's erase our solution since we're able to answer letter B already. We're now going to answer letter C. Okay. So for letter C, we're going to convert hours to days. So we all know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? Mhm. Okay, let me just erase that. Okay, para malinis yung board natin. Ayan. Okay, so again, as I said, 1 hour, I mean to say 1 day, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Sorry for that. Yes. So it was supposed to be 1 day. Yes, okay. Not 1 hour. So we all know a while ago that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So we're now going to, what do you think? Are we going to multiply? Are we going to divide? Of course, the answer is we're going to divide 240 hours to 24, right? So 240 hours, we're going to divide. Okay, so we have 1 day over 24 hours. So cancel na natin yung hours, right? So what is 240 divided by 24? It will give us an answer of 10 days. 10 days, right? See? Way too easy, right? Okay, that's our answer. So this is 10 days. Okay? So you see, madali lang naman talaga mag-convert, no? Okay, again, let's erase our solution. Okay, so we're almost done in our example. Okay, I hope you are taking notes, but you can actually rewatch the video. You know, that's the good thing in recorded videos. You can rewatch. You can actually pause for a while, right? Okay, now for letter D, we have 21 days. We're going to convert that to weeks. Of course, we all know that 1 week, yes, 1 week is equal to what? 1 week is equal to 7 days, right? Okay. So again, are we going to multiply or are we going to divide? What do you think? We're actually going to divide, right? 1 week is equal to 7 days. We're actually going to divide uh, 21 to 7, right? Okay, so 21 days, okay, 21 days times 1 week, 1 week, okay, over 7 days. 7 days, yeah, okay. So let's cancel days. Okay, so as I said, we're going to divide 21 to 7. So it will give us an answer of 3 weeks. Okay, because 21 divided by 7 is 3. So our answer here is 3 weeks. Okay, so yung 21 days in week is 3. Okay, yan. Okay, we're almost done. Now we go to the last one. We go to the last one before we go to the leap year problem. Okay. Okay, let's erase it again once more to clean our green board. Okay. Now for this one, we're going to uh, convert years to months, right? So 1 year, we all know that 1 year in months is how many? 1 year is equal to 12 months, right? Yes, 12 months. So what are we going to do here? Are we going to divide? Are we going to multiply? We're going to basically multiply 2 years to 12 months. Okay, so you have 2 years. Okay, that's R times 12 months. right? Okay, 12 months. All right. Okay. Again, medyo malikot yung aking mouse. Okay, since I'm using a mouse, you know. Okay, so 2 years times 12 months over 1 year. Okay, so let's cancel the year. Okay, so what is 2 times 12? It will give us an answer of 24 months, right? So you see, okay, so that's our answer, 24 months. Okay, so basically, that's how easy, conversion of time is, no? So, so long I repeat, as you know, the formulas in converting time, then it won't really be hard for you to to convert, no? So our answer here is 24. Okay, so got it there. Okay, so that's the answer. All right. So I hope you were able to understand it very well. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so we have here a leap year. So a while ago, I told you that actually a leap year is a year with an extra day, and it only happens every 4 years. Now, we have here a problem, and it states that the year 2020 is a leap year. So what will be the next leap year after that? So I made mention a while ago that leap years happens every 4 years. Now for us to be able to know what will be the next leap year after that, of course we're going to add 4. Since why? Since leap year, as I told you, happens only every 4 years, right? Okay, so 2020 plus 4. Okay. So the next leap year after 2020 would be 2024. Yes. Okay. So that's our answer. Okay. That would be the next leap year after 2020. So how did we get the answer? We add 4 to 2020. Okay. So that will be all for today, and I hope you were able to learn things about time. Once again, good day and have a nice and nice and wonderful holiday to everyone.